Stylish, premium, and safe, the Volkswagen Taigun checks all the right boxes. But in 2025, does this German-engineered SUV truly offer better value than the Creta and Seltos? Let's find out. The Taigun was Volkswagen's confident reply to India's SUV craze. Built on the same MQB A0 in platform as the Skoda Kushaq, it blends solid German engineering with Indian practicality and road presence. But in 2025's packed SUV market, can it still stand out? Let's dive in. The Taigun looks bold and muscular, with a strong European touch. A chrome-finished grille, sharp LED DRLs, and stylish alloy wheels give it a sporty and premium road presence. Compared to the Kushaq, it feels a bit younger and more vibrant. A car that fits city life perfectly, yet feels at home on the highway too. It carries that unmistakable Volkswagen DNA. Clean, confident, and classy. Step inside, and you're greeted with solid build quality and a premium cabin feel. The dashboard design is neat and functional, featuring a 10-inch touchscreen, digital cockpit, ventilated front seats, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and wireless charging. Everything feels built to last, with tight panel gaps and quality materials. Safety is top-notch too: 6 airbags, escape, traction control, and a 5-star global NCAP rating make it one of India's safest SUVs. Under the hood, you get to turbo petrol options. A 1.0-liter TSI with 115 brake horsepower and a 1.5-liter TSI with 150 brake horsepower. Both engines deliver that signature Volkswagen punch: refined, powerful, and responsive. The 1.5 TSI, especially with the 7-speed DSG gearbox, makes the Taigun genuinely fun to drive. It's quick off the line, corners confidently, and offers rock-solid stability at high speeds. This SUV truly delivers that German driving feel few others in this segment can match. Prices range between 11 lakh rupees and 19 lakh rupees, similar to the Kushaq and slightly higher than the Creta or Seltos. But you're not paying just for looks or features. You're paying for premium engineering, unmatched safety, and a driving experience that feels far more European than Indian. For those who enjoy the feel of the road and want something unique, the Taigun hits the sweet spot. The Taigun's strengths are clear: solid German build, refined turbo engines, excellent handling, and proven 5-star safety. However, its smaller service network and slightly higher maintenance costs may concern buyers switching from Hyundai or Kia. Still, for driving enthusiasts and those who value quality over quantity, the Taigun remains one of the most satisfying SUVs to own in 2025. So, what would you pick? The Volkswagen Taigun for that authentic German driving thrill, or the Hyundai Creta for all-round practicality and features? Comment your choice below. I'd love to know what you'd buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because next, we're doing a full head-to-head comparison. Volkswagen Taigun versus Hyundai Creta. And trust me, it's going to be an exciting one. Prices mentioned are approximate and may vary based on market conditions and GST updates.